There are just a few things that can conjure up the feeling of freedom in our digital society, and a motorcycle is near the top of that small list. Long lonesome highways, hair-raising mountain passes and scenic back roads are all best explored on a motorcycle. Perhaps that is why they have such a connection with independence and Americana. There is a resurgence in the hand-built motorcycle world as of late, and events showcasing these one-of-a-kind bikes have been popping up in cities all across the country. From Austin, Texas and Portland, or to St. Paul, Minnesota and Carmel, California, here's where to go to see one-of-a-kind motorcycles.